Hi, good morning. Now, I'm going to discuss an important command, forward command. In this video, we explore the powerful forward command in Stata, a versatile tool that allow you to efficiently loop through multiple variables and apply the same operator to each one. Whether you are managing a large data set, generating repetitive output, or streamlining your data analysis process, the forward command can save you valuable time and effort. For example, if we open any data, for example, there is some missing values. There is a missing value. So we would like to replace missing value as 99. Replace Shraman 99 if is equal to missing. Yeah, there is no missing value. Similarly, tab, there is no missing value. NC, there are some missing values. Stunting, here there are some missing values. Type of toilet, there are some missing value. But using a single command, we would like to replace missing value as 99 or other value. So if we open again the data set, so we can type for var this colon replace x is equal to 99. X means this value, this value, this value. This is a set. This is a set. X represent BMI care, toilet to ANC stunting, all value. If X is equal to dot. This is the command. Now press enter. All are replaced. Or sometime we need to rename all variable. All variable. For example, would like to uh, rename a new variable. For example, main ID new. That means we have to add something after the variable name. So for var this variable, 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 this variable. For example, colon rename x underscore new. But we know that if we would like to rename a single variable already mentioned in the previous video, rename this new, for example, new. So if we like to multiple variable, then this is old variable or this is new variable. If you type yes, the corresponding variables, the name of the variables has been changed. So using this procedure, we can we can use forvar for multiple variable, and we can save our time. Another, for example, just we like to tab, so we can you open again, tab, this is a cross tab. So this is only for division and place of residence. For example, this variable is fixed. This variable is fixed. This is another command. This is another command. This is category variable, another command. So if we like to summarize using cross tab using a single command, then we can type for var, for example, this variable, 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 colon, tab, x. X means this variable, space a fixed variable. That means we'd like to analyze a cross tab for this variable, this variable, this variable, these variables with this variable. So call sky. Now press. All are estimated. If we use this variable, all are analyzed. So forward value is the very important command, and using this command we can summarize data, we can manage data, we can replace, we can generate, etc. Thank you.